Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is this and that. So let us start our class. This. We use this to talk about the things that are near to us. This refers to a person, place, animal or thing. We use this to identify a singular noun. And now that. We use that to talk about the things that are far from us. It be a person, place, animal, or thing. We use that to identify a singular noun. So, kids, let's learn some examples of this and also that. So, let's learn with me. So, kids, in this picture, the child is near to the girl. So, we use this. This is a chair. In this picture, the ball is far from the boy. So, we use that. That is a ball. Let's learn some more examples of this and that. First, we discuss about this. This is a ball. This is a gift because it is near to the boy. This is a pencil. This is my pet. And this is my house. And now we learn about that. That is a tree because the tree is far from the boy. Right? We use that. That is an elephant because it is far from the boy. That is my school. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.